First up, we've got big breaking news that's coming in. Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa is again facing a rebellion from within, as BJP MLA now Basanagowda Yatnal has said that Yediyurappa won't be the Chief Minister for long. He's also said that even the High Command is fed up with BSY. He's also spoken about Yediyurappa, according to him, favouring Shivamogga, saying that if 25 crore grants was given, Yediyurappa does everything for Shivamogga and doesn't help other constituencies. Nagarjun Dwarkanath is joining us with more details on this. Nagarjun, there were a lot of whispers about this happening, about several BJP legislators actually opposing Yediyurappa as Chief Minister. You've got Yatnal speaking out now. What really does this mean? Is it only a matter of time before Yediyurappa steps down?
That's true. In fact, Akshita, what remained as whispers in the power corridors has come out in the public today. One of the strong faces in BJP's North Karnataka region, Basanagowda Yatnal, has put out a statement in public saying that the High Command is fed up of the present Chief Minister, present dispensation. It's not too far that the CM will be removed and changed, and the new phase will be from the northern part of Karnataka, is what he said. And he was addressing a public rally. Remember, this is not a closed-door talk. So the first time in the last 2 to 3 months when the topic or the discussion began on change in leadership, now that rebellion has come out and officially on record that BJP MLA Basanagowda Yatnal has put out a statement that its High Command are also fed up. If I can quote him, he says High Command is fed up of the present dispensation. And
just stay with me, Nagarjun. Just stay with me. My apologies for interrupting, but Ganesh Karthik of the BJP is joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Karthik, your reaction to the fact that Yatnal has now said it's only a matter of time before Yediyurappa is replaced as the Chief Minister?
Mr. Yatnal is a very respectable political leader, but he is known to have been coming out with the off-the-cuff remarks without even thinking about it. The issue of leadership in Karnataka is a settled issue. In fact, he is the tallest leader in Karnataka as far as the BJP is concerned. And BJP is comfortable and confident that under his leadership in Assembly, Karnataka will face all the problems and challenges and will go back to polls under his leadership.
But Mr. Karthik,
there is no issue of change of leadership.
But this isn't the first time, no? This isn't the first time this kind of talk has surfaced within the BJP. So are you saying there's no question of Yediyurappa being replaced?
See, you are asking my opinion. I'm the spokesperson for the state. In fact, a month ago, a similar issue had come out, and we had very clearly clarified this issue that there is no question of change of leadership. If there is a person like Mr. Yatnal, whom I respect, if he has come out his personal opinion, I don't think as a national political party we will react to it.
But Mr. Karthik, if your party doesn't react, who will? You've got a BJP MLA saying this. There's a lot of talk that MLAs from North Karnataka are right now unhappy.
This will be sorted out at the party level. The question of change of leadership doesn't arise at all.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Ganesh Karthik, thank you for joining us on this broadcast. The BJP claiming all is well. There's no question of a rebellion. But the fact here is that you've got an MLA, Yatnal, speaking very categorically against Yediyurappa, saying the High Command is fed up with him, legislators are fed up with him. It's only a matter of time before he's replaced.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.